This time last week I was at the Power of Video in Belfast, Northern Ireland, and so I thought today I would take an opportunity to animate a few of the items that I received in a quick little tutorial. And the main focus of this one is a core concept in animation, one of the fundamentals, to ease in and out of movements. So I've spoken about this in videos before, but it's something that I keep seeing people not doing, and it is so easy to just add that little bit extra with your animations by easing into or out of a movement. And the way to do that is to make the increments that you're moving something get smaller as you're coming to a stop, or go from being small to getting bigger when you're making something begin moving. It's a really simple and fundamental principle even within video and live action. If you're going to do a camera move, you want to smoothly ease into that move and then come to a gradual stop rather than just stopping abruptly. So this is kind of just a quick video to reiterate that if you're not already using an easing in or out of your motion, that will add a tremendous amount to your animation and it will really bring it up to the next level. Another really important quality as well, which some people overlook, is sound design. And for this, I created sound effects by actually recreating the movements that I was animating. So I slid the keyring along, I popped the pop socket, and I slid in a sticker to get the actual real life sounds that these objects made when they moved. Now, sometimes that's not enough. Sometimes with animation in particular, the actual recorded sound effects don't sound right when you play them with the visuals. So often you want to go one step further. Maybe you want to make a pop noise from something else that's a little bit more cartoony, a little bit more exaggerated, to really kind of accent that movement. So really think about your sound when you're doing animation as well, because if you don't get your sound right, then it can make or break an animation, and it's worth spending that little bit extra time to really think about your sound effects and make sure that they work. If you're not sure yourself, watch it back, and perhaps you think it works but you're not 100% sure, get someone else to watch it and have a listen as well, because a second opinion is always great with things like that. But yeah, last week I was at the Power of Video, the recycling film that you saw on this channel a few weeks back. I won second prize, so that was really cool, and I met loads of awesome creators, and it's really inspired me to get going and make some more great content for this channel. I'm still working on that short film that I spoke about a few weeks ago as well. The post-production is taking a very long time, but it's definitely going to be out on the channel before Halloween, so you've got that to look forward to as well. I hope you're having a great week. Thank you very much for watching, and I'll catch you again in the next video.